How to remove your QQ account on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your QQ account on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and let's go back first, and now click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile, and then just go click this one, edit profile, and now go down and you will find links here and click edit, and go to your QQ account and click remove, and then just save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and then see you in the next video.